Mastering Idioms, Blow Your Own Horn, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, blow your own horn. If you've ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of idioms and discover the meaning, usage, and origin of blow your own horn. Blow your own horn is an idiom that means to boast about one's own talents, accomplishments, or abilities. It's often used when someone is talking about themselves in a very proud way, highlighting their achievements. This phrase can have a negative connotation, suggesting that the person might be bragging a little too much. To understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. I don't want to blow my own horn, but I am the best salesperson in our team. He's always blowing his own horn about how many languages he can speak. In these sentences, the phrase is used to describe self-praise. It's often used in contexts where modesty is expected, making the boasting stand out more. The origin of blow your own horn traces back to historical times when people would literally blow horns to announce their arrival or to boast about their victories. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical phrase used to describe the act of self-praise or self-promotion. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this idiom. Blow your own horn is great for informal conversations. It's perfect for casual talks with friends or in situations where you're discussing someone's tendency to brag. Describing someone's behavior. When you want to point out that someone is boasting, you can use this phrase. However, be cautious about using it in formal or professional settings as it might come across as too informal or even negative. That's all about the idiom, blow your own horn. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, while it's great to be proud of your achievements, it's also important to stay humble. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!